Hello, sir. I'm Angelica J. Beracho. I'm going to do is the doffing, taking off the PPE. First is the remove the gloves. Next is the remove the gown. Pull gown away from neck and shoulders, touching inside of gown only. And fold or roll into a bundle and discard in a waste container. Next is remove goggles and remove mask by touching the string only. And last is perform hand hygiene. Wash hands or use an alcohol.